Take that. Just one question. What is the most popular aftershave in your country? You'll get asked that. You'll also get, can I guess your weight? So you'll get different questions from them. Try and get it in the shop. That's old school. Some people like it, some people don't, which causes no harm. Merhaba everyone. So we're in Marmaris, walking down from the marina. Hello mate, you alright?
How you doing, all right?
Yeah, good, thank you mate.
What are you on Facebook?
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that mate.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Always good to know what you're up to.
Yeah, thank you mate.
I see you were here in Hisarano.
Yeah, Hisarano, we were with Denise.
In Marmaris.
Oh, you don't mind being on here, do you mate?
No, not at all.
Oh, appreciate it mate, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Cheers pal, I'll have to drop us a message on the, what was your name?
Steve.
Steve.
Yeah, Southampton.
Right, thank you very much, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Cheers pal, thank you.
Okay.
So, like I'm saying, we're just walking down from Marmaris Marina. What about mate? Alright mate, you? Yeah. Just walking down from Marmaris Marina, going towards Blueport Mall. We'll probably stop off at Chucky. I'm not sure what's Rochelle doing? Rochelle? Anyway, she's over there. We're going to walk down towards Blueport Mall, and on the way I'm going to show you what's there, what shops are there, what restaurants. Starting off at Ness, one of the most popular restaurants. Nippo Boutique. And remember, opposite Point Beach Hotel. So as you're walking down from the marina back up towards Blueport, there's plenty of closed places. This is one of them. Merhaba mate.
Okay.
Yeah, good, thank you. You? Oh, get up there. Thank you very much.
There's always one.
I appreciate that. As long as one's watching, I'm happy.
I see he was in holidays, and then I saw the other day that he was Ishmael.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I thought, oh, I wonder if I'll see him.
Nice little walk around from the marina up towards there today. How long are you out for?
Well, 2 weeks.
Oh, nice. Got a nice tan on you.
Yeah, well, we was in Tunisia 6 weeks ago, so...
Oh, yeah. Whereabouts you going, Tunisia?
We went to Alcantua.
Alright, I've been to Sousse, I've been to Hammamet, but I've never been anywhere else.
Yeah, first time we've ever been to Tunisia.
Yeah? What do you think?
Not much air, is it, really?
Do you know, it's one of the places I'm in no rush to go back to.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? If it comes up cheap and it's a nice hotel.
That's right.
But when we went over there, we went to Sousse. We stayed at one hotel. It was all inclusive. We were there for 7 days.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate. And we, after 3 nights there, we booked a different hotel.
Yeah, it's not like here. You can walk out the hotel and
You can freely walk here. It's nice,
Yeah.
clean.
plenty of stuff.
We had a lovely hotel, and it was fantastic. And it was a fantastic hotel.
Yeah.
But it was good for us because it had a nice, had a nice white beach.
Yeah.
The transfer time was about 30 minutes rather than
spot on.
But yeah, there was not a lot there.
Yeah, I feel the same. But anyway, nice to meet you both anyway. Was that you both? Yeah. See you later. Here's some prices. ZY Hair and Beauty. From £10, £15. Pedicure, £20. Manicure, £15. BIM over there. It's a cheap supermarket. You might want to check it out. You got BIM, Migros, Carrefour, Shock, and then the standard independent supermarkets as well, which usually have like a blue background and they'll say supermarket or market. Caragaza in here, so you got wine, champagne, spirits, wine house. Next door you got more clothes shop, boutique. And I like it when they've got, look at that, nice shop front, nice and clean inside, you can see. Now the cash points over there, if you want to use the cash points in Marmaris, a little bit extortion, you know. Some of them £7 to take your money out, some of them £10 to take your money out. It can vary depending on which machine. Even when I use the Akbank one, which is I used to find the cheapest, I'm sure they've got a charge now. So just be careful, check how much it's going to charge, and don't forget that everywhere out here takes English money, Turkish lira, they'll take euros, they'll take dollars, any currency, but they'll also take card payments as well. And then you can instantly see on your banking app how much the conversion rate was. Sometimes you can. JD Sports.
JD Sport.
Hello mate, merhaba.
Hello my friends.
You okay?
I'm alright, you okay?
Yeah, good, thank you. Then and then next door it says £5, £10, everything. Then a pharmacy. And then we're just about coming to Chucky. So Andy's restaurant is just here. And now in his new location is Chucky. And you can also get your electric scooters here from Magia Electric Scooters, or see Chucky for all the excursions.
Hello, pal. How are
Hello,
you?
mate. All right.
I'm alright, thank you. What about you?
All good, mate. My mate, good. You all right?
What about you?
Always good, mate. Always good. What about, mate? Chucky, what happened to the magazine again, man?
Oh, here, man.
I need to tell people to pick them up from Chucky.
Yes, they can come and they can collect.
Everyone all right? Look at that. Buy what you want, pay what you want, pay now, pay next year. Chucky, just leave one out up, and then I say people come and collect from Chucky.
Come on, show me something.
Just here. This is good.
I've been given so far.
Oh,
I take them at my bike, put
Yes.
them inside. I give people who I book them for trips.
I'll tell people just to collect. I'll say, come see Chucky here.
okay.
Come see Chucky.
Also come see Erhan maybe, Erhan. Erhan also.
Erhan for his electric scooters outside at Magia where Chucky is. You need a driving license for these, Chucky.
Yes, of course you do, my
Driving
friend.
license.
The police stops you, otherwise you get fined.
You need helmet or not?
You don't really need helmet, but
Yeah.
if you still wear your helmet for your safety, it's good, of
If you
course.
feel better with a helmet on, it's safer.
Of course,
But
definitely,
you,
man,
but you
for
don't
sure.
have to by law.
You don't really have to. You don't get really fined when you don't have helmet on the electric scooter, but unless it's not a scooter or motorbike, you don't get fined.
Yeah.
Traffic
Oh,
here
so-
is insane. It's not same as like in UK.
Turkish drivers, absolutely mental. Come and see Erhan at Magia Electric Scooter Hire. Check them out on Facebook, and they'll sort you out with your scooter hire whilst you're in Marmaris. Scooters, mobility scooters. What is this? Like a car for Ted? Electric scooters. They do ask for a driving license. The people that don't, they should be, because if the bike goes over a certain speed, you do need a driving license. By law, I've been told that you don't need a helmet on one of these because they only go up to a certain speed. But it's up to you. If you want to be safer, stick a helmet on. But you can get one of these scooters here from Magia, where Chucky's based, just next door to Andy's restaurant. Come pay them a visit this summer. Right, so next door, you know, a few years ago I came here with my mum and dad, Andy's restaurant, had a full English breakfast, and now we're back in the sun. Back in the sunshine in Marmaris, like we should be. What about, mate? Good, thank you. You okay? Reese Maris Hotel, or Reese Maris Hotel. I stayed there once before. I'm in no real rush to stay again, but it was cheap at the time. I think I stayed last March or April. Del Boy's Big Bazaar, Alibaba, Turkish Delights. You happy with the weather, Isla? Yeah, everyone finds the favourite clothes shops. You all know the one I go to, or the main ones I go to, but you've got all other ones here as well on the main road, just near Andy's. You've got shoes there, clothes there, bags here. What about, mate? Then we're just coming up to Asda. Asda, want to go Asda, get some fish fingers, sausages. What do you want to get from Asda? What about, mate? All right.
How are you? Okay?
Yeah, good, thank you, mate. Look at that, Asda shop. Nice and smart inside, nice and tidy. Looks good, mate. Looks nice and smart, clean, tidy. Nice colour. I like green, khaki green, any shade of green. Then you got Diana watch shop, Marmaris, mate. Let's keep walking. Hello, mate. How we doing? Hey, mate. You all right? You all right, mate? Okay. Hey, you all right? Have you got a magazine yet?
Family.
All family, kids,
First
wife.
time we will see.
Look, this is what Teddy's got. Remember this? This is where it was from. So that outfit we got from Teddy, this is where it was from here. Now all of these side streets, just off the main road, if you eventually go all the way, this will take you to Armatellen and eventually Zane's. More scooter hires. People say when you got a scooter, who'll charge it? Most hotels, most bars and restaurants, most shops if you're going to be there a while. Charge it anywhere you can.
Alright,
I'm alright, mate.
just one question.
Maybe later. Yes, mate. What's your question?
Which is the most popular in your country perfume aftershave? Can you show me?
Oh, I don't know, mate. I don't know. I don't wear it. I don't wear it. Take that. Just one question. What is the most popular aftershave in your country? You'll get asked that. You'll also get, can I guess your weight? So you'll get different questions from them. Try and get it in the shop. That's old school. Some people like it, some people don't, which causes no harm. You got Escobar shoes, more watches over here. Merhaba mate. Turkish delight shop. Alex! See, remember Alex? Teddy? Remember Alex from Marmaris? He used to lift Teddy up all the time. Teddy, wave to Alex. He used to pick you up all the time at Marmaris. Right, what have we got over here? The next one, so you've got Almina City Hotel. So it looks like you've got Almina Bar there. Merhaba mate. So you've got the shoe shop, clothes shop. Look at that. Again, when you find your favourite, you'll go back to them. And there's lots of clothes shops here. Check them all out. Check the material, check the prices. But that display looks absolutely spot on. Merhaba mate, alright. Oh Ted. Look at that Primark too. So we've seen Primark, now we've got New Look. Merhaba mate, you okay?
Yeah.
Nesselson?
Thank you.
You're welcome mate. Good, thank you.
I see always you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your name, sorry?
Mehmet Amin. Look, I show
Is this
you.
one yours? Which one's yours?
Yeah, this is
New,
mine. Yeah.
New Look. New Look's yours. Sorry, I'll take it. New Look's yours, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem mate.
Look, I show you.
The New Look store.
New look. Look.
Yes mate, yes.
How are
Merhaba,
you?
merhaba.
You remember me?
Oh, thank you mate. Sawul mate, Sawul. Thank you very much lads. Nice to see you lads. See you soon.
Always
See you soon mate. Thank you mate, appreciate that. Come on. Birds. I love it when I see people who I don't know. We just start having a conversation. New Look. Another New Look. Merhaba mate, merhaba. So now we've walked all the way from Marmaris Marina, which is all the way that way. Then we stopped at Chucky's and now we're at Blueport Mall, which is covered up with a couple of Turkish flags. Merhaba mate, alright. Good, thank you mate, you. I like that England top, black one. Oh, sorry. Now, just down this way is the beachfront. That'll take you to Pucca. On the right down there, you've got the sports bar, Burger King, Happy Face, for a nice jacket potato, and an English pie. Yes?
When are we getting the transfer back?
Oh, we're just walking to Wishmiller. No. Everyone ready to walk to Wishmiller? Oh, we're walking to Wishmiller. Yeah? Come on, we're walking to Wishmiller.
18, 17, 16, 15,
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
11, 10. Why are you counting? 8,
The SD card's going to be full.
6,
Have to change it.
4, 3,
Right,
2,
quick,
1, 0. Wait, it's still on. What?
Did you get the magazine yet?
Yeah.
Oh, did right, so we've just walked all the way up from Marmaris Marina, past Chucky, past Blueport Mall, past all the shops we've just been to there, and now we're at Piccadilly restaurant again. So Piccadilly restaurant, I'm going to sit down, have a vodka Fanta, sit, relax, and then make our way over to Ishmael. But they've also got the Middlesbrough game on, Middlesbrough Norwich, so I'm looking forward. I might watch some of that game here, I might watch it somewhere else. But kick off in Turkey is 5 o'clock because we're 2 hours in front of the UK. I'm not a Middlesbrough fan, but I'd like to see them do well because they're my local team. I'm a Stockton Town fan, so if you haven't followed them on Facebook, go and check out Stockton Town. Right, so whilst the football's on, we've just left Piccadilly there, and then we come over 2 doors down to Sweet Corner. Now, you'll notice I'm always in these bars because I trust them. I know they don't water the drinks down. The prices, it is what it is, what it is. The both of them have got plenty of TV, so you can watch different sports channels, different football games at the same time. And tonight you can watch the Eubank versus Ben fight. This is Sweet Corner in Marmaris. They got the gym? Yeah. Go and gym here. Johnny mate. My Turkish lover.
Dad loves Johnny. Johnny loves that.
Look at that. How good does that look at night?
Dad,
Beautiful. This is Alvaro Apartments.
Dad,
Yes, Ted?
your dinner YouTube channel
Yeah.
is not the best.
My YouTube channel's not the best.
No.
Why? Ted's just told me my YouTube channel's not the best. I hope you all think it is. Subscribe now. Dad Loves Food on YouTube.